In this tutorial, we'll look how to import plan from AutoCAD to Etabs and draw grid lines for the irregularly spaced column layouts. Here I have the column layout plan in which column does not lie in either horizontal or vertical grid. For this, I have moved all the columns from this file and put them to the origin point as shown here and saved it in .txf file. Now let's go to Etabs, go to File, New Model, use built-in settings with the setting here are OK, so click on OK, go to blank, OK, go to File, Import .dxf/.dwg file of architectural plan, click on our file, click on Open. Our CAD drawing units are in inches, so choose inch. We are going to import our drawing in base floor of Etabs. Uncheck this add center line and click on OK. Here comes our file. Here comes our file in base floor of Etab. Now we can draw grid lines for this column here. For this, go to draw grids, click here and again click. Now we can remove these columns. For this, we go to Model Window, Plan View, Architectural Layers, Hide or Show. Click on Hide. Now we can manage these bubbles as they are intersecting the grid lines. Click on go to Modify, Show Grid System. Here we can click for this. That is 5 and 7 are intersecting the grid lines. 5, go to In, click on Start. 7, go to In, click on Start. OK. And press OK. 1, 2, 4, and then comes 5. That is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, it's okay. In this way, we can make irregularly spaced grids in Etabs. Hope this tutorial was informative for you. Please keep on visiting regularly for more tutorials. Thank you.